Connecting your Shopify store to TikTok is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. For this purpose, open your browser and search for the Shopify store you want to connect. Click on your website. I will choose my vitamins store. Here on the website, you can see many products listed like Acti-Bone, vitamins, calcium tablets, and much more. Such types of businesses are great to start, and you can really achieve good sales with them. Now, scroll up and click on the search bar. Simply copy the link. Now, head back to the home screen and click on TikTok. As you open your TikTok application, you will see options like Home, Friends, Inbox, and Profile at the bottom. Now, the main step begins for connecting your Shopify link to TikTok. Click on the Profile section. Here, you can see options like Edit Profile, Add Friends, and the option for Instagram. Click on Edit Profile. Under the Business Information section, you will find the option for a website. Click on Website and paste the link of your website that you copied. Click on the Save button at the top right corner. Now, go to your profile screen again, and you will see that the link has been updated. So, you can see how simple it is to connect your Shopify link to TikTok.